le plus mot de mon vie et de mon vocabulaire le plus important. Aznavour. Attends, je suis un peu nerveuse. Aznavour, mon ami, celui qui ne me ment jamais.
Je ne mens jamais, c'est vrai.
Oui. Et qui me dit quand j'ai tort.
Oui.
Et que mon nom, c'est
oui,
ça?
Je t'emmène, c'est vrai.
Marche aux fleurs.
Au marché aux fleurs,
Oui.
je te fais connaître un Paris que tu ne
chaque
connaîtrais
fois
pas.
que j'ai raison, c'est mon cadeau. Aznavour, mon maître pour la vie, mon maître, mon ami. Aznavour, celui qui me fait voir que ce que dis pour moi
Ce que je... Say it in English, I'm going to translate it.
Ce que je pouvais être.
Ah oui, c'est comme ça en anglais aussi, oui.
Oui, c'est le même?
C'est marié.
Ok. Aznavour, ma lumière qui jamais ne faiblit.
Faibli.
Oh, faiblit.
Faibli, oui.
I'm glad that's over. Have I told you something?
Oh, but you're going to tell me that now.
Oh.
Oh.
The sound of your name comes to me any hour on wings of the wind, like the scent of a flower. How can I explain its impossible power? The sound of your name.
The sound of your name is a Valentine greeting, a bell when it rings, and a heart when it's beating. I'm drawn in a spell where all things keep repeating the sound of your name. Your name is a song that I long to be writing. The music is strong and the words are inviting. A changeable melody, strangely exciting. I found in your name.
The sound of your name can bring times of desire that flares like a flame as it climbs ever higher, that burns in my senses and turns them to fire. The sound of your name. Love's game continually changes. The player discovers the risk and the dangers.
Started as lovers, we
ended as strangers. Now where can I turn?
Your name is the goes for the cancer to give me
a brief little dance. I'm learning my grief. It is you that can save me if you don't return. At night in my dreams you are there, an obsession. I whisper your name, a prayer, a confession. You enter my soul, taking possession. And who can I blame? For you are the reason that I died for the fire, the attainable moon that I cried for as long as I live. I will live and I've died for the sound of your name, your name, your name, your name, your name. Shout! Thank you, Charles. I love you.